How's it going, guys? My name is Ishaan, and in this video I'm going to be covering the full technical analysis and short-term price target for SOS stock. This has been highly requested, and so make sure to subscribe, guys, because no one else is breaking down the technicals this in depth in just 3 minutes. Alright, so jumping into the technical analysis, we can see right off the bat that the stock peaked around this $16 level right over here. Now if I zoom in, we'll see some interesting things happening. First of all, we can see that the stock has found support right around this 1050 level. You can see it bounced over here, and today it closed right at that 1050 level again. Now another interesting you'll notice is that it seems like the stock is forming a descending triangle. As you can see, it's getting tighter and tighter in this range, forming a downwards triangle, and this is usually a sign of a move lower, but to be honest, they can go either way, and it's all about waiting for that confirmation to see which way it breaks before you take a position. Now a few things that look pretty bullish are, first of all, that the RSI has dropped down quite low, almost to 30, as well as you can see the MACD is starting to reverse as well, which is also a sign that the stock is oversold and the momentum is shifting upwards. However, there also are quite a few bearish things as well. First of all, we are not able to break this 9 EMA, which is this blue line. As we can see, it's been turning the 9 EMA into resistance, and that is not what you want to see, especially after the stock has fallen. Another bearish thing is that it seems like we've formed somewhat of a double top right at this $12 level. We opened at this $12 level, we pushed up, we couldn't break, and even later on in the day the stock pushed up to $12 and formed a double top. It was unable to break that previous high, and we dropped right back down. And another thing we can see on the 6-month 4-hour chart is that the stock formed 2 consecutive gravestone dojis, and so the long top wick implies that even though the buyers try to push the stock up, sellers and institutions were still strong enough and pushed it all the way back down into the negative, along with the fact that it looks like the MACD line is about to cross below the signal line, implying that the momentum on the longer term charts is shifting lower. But I just want to quickly tell you guys that technicals is simply overridden by hype. If this stock can gain hype and buyers really step in, then none of these technicals will even matter because the stock is going to squeeze higher. But without that hype, that's where technicals come into play, and that's where things are starting to look a little bearish. Now remember, I do not have any position of my own, and I'm not trying to be bearish and I'm not trying to be bullish here. I'm just breaking down the technicals how I see it. So now let's talk about my price target and where I see the stock heading. So if the stock ends up breaking above this descending triangle and squeezes higher, the first level I could see the stock heading up to is all the way up here at 1330. Right over here is the area where the stock peaked out right over here, and it found resistance right over here. After this 1330 level, the next level I could see the stock hit is $16, but that's only if we get massive buying volume stepping up. However, if the stock breaks lower through this descending triangle, which is totally possible, then this stock could be heading down all the way down here to about $9, where it bottomed right over here at the bottom of this candle. Below $9, this stock will find support right here at $7.53. This is an area where the stock had gapped up from, and so it's also a previous level of resistance, so that will be a bullish gap fill if it can turn this level into support. So with that being said, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the Gen Z Trader Academy link down below, where my goal is to help you use technical analysis to become a more profitable and better trader. Technical analysis can go a really long way in helping you make better decisions when entering and exiting. So be sure to check it out, link down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, clocking out for now. Peace.